These are the BITPOTT solar pathway lights. We just replaced these. We purchased about 24 of them, 12 packs. We're very pleased with them. They just have a really great light. We basically ripped down an old electrical lighting system and just replaced with solar. Very easy. This was about a 20-minute installation. Basically, they come in the box. You just have a plastic cover up top. You just take this off right here and you just power it on right here. And then you can see as soon as you cover the solar up, it lights up. Just drop that back in there, and then it has several different of these rubber pieces that go into the ground at various sizes, so you could level them however you like. What we did, we took a white Sharpie marker, just measured off where we wanted to put it into the landscaping area, and just pounded it down with a hammer, just the bottom part right here. So then you just put this part on, you hit that part with a hammer, set that up there, and it's just very stable, safe, and secure. You can see here it powers right on. Soon as the solar is covered. These do last all night. I'm gonna say it stays lit for probably about 8 hours, but very pleased with these. Overall, it was a very good decision to replace these with, and highly recommend anyone looking for solar lights to check these out. I'm very happy with them. Plan on buying more for another area of our yard.